Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Bootstrap tutorial by PHN Technology Private Limited. In this series of tutorials, you are going to learn about the most popular framework of HTML and CSS named Bootstrap. So, in previous sections, we completed our forms, our input groups, spinners, badges, but in this session, we are going to learn about modals. Well, what exactly is modal? Well, for giving an introduction, I would like you to imagine when you go on a particular website and you click a button, a pop-up like this appears with particular form or image or some other things, and it has its own header, its body and its footer. So when you click the cross button, the modal disappears. Well, the whole content is called as modal. Well, you must have wondered how this particular card looking structure appears on the screen when we click a button. Well, without wasting any further time, let's take an example and learn how to make modals. Well, as you can see, I've got a div class container, and inside that I'm going to give a button, button primary, type would be button, and data toggle modal, and data target would be our ID, that would be my modal. So we will take this as open. Okay, so now this was the button which will trigger the modal. So now we will be making the modal. Div class modal. In that particular div, we will write another div class modal dialog, and in that we will get another div class modal content. Okay, now inside this it will be separated like we separated the card, with the card header, card body and card footer. So div class modal header, and inside that div, in this modal header we will give h4 tag class modal title. Okay, now we will write just modal. Okay, and in next line we will take a button class close data dismiss modal, and this would be the cross mark. This particular symbol is used for getting a cross. And we'll give type as well. Okay. Now we will take class, this would be our modal body. In that we can write something. Okay, let's take h1 tag. I'll write my name, and moving forward we will have modal footer, type would be button, and it would do the same for now. Okay, it would be for close. So now let's save it and let's just refresh the page and let's see now. So you can see this particular pop-up modal, and which has a particular header. We have written modal on the header, we have written my name in the body section, and we've got a button, close button, in the footer of that particular modal. Well, the background screen has reduced some opacity. Well, that is the work what the modal dialog does. Okay, so modal dialog adds some opacity to makes it look attractive and to get your glance on that particular modal, rather than keeping your eye on the different screen. So you get two buttons to close that particular modal. This one would be the cross and the close one. You can also close the modal by clicking off the screen. Okay, so this was the code for modal. Well, we have seen lot many things, and the modal is the most popular thing which each and every website has nowadays. So with this we have completed this session of seeing a particular modal. Well, we'll be seeing some more in the future coming sessions. So till then, keep coding and happy learning. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.